Message to society. My message to society. Message to society. How you doing, world? I know speaking's not a crime. It's been a minute, I heard it's out of sight, out of mind. In your eyes, I'm tainted. No, that's hard to change, ain't it? I introduced the new me, so let's get reacquainted. You probably wonder how I slept through the nights. Knew I would struggle with adjusting, so I guess you was right. In tough times, pretty much, I was a chef with a knife. You didn't really expect a nigga to pay the debt with his life, did you? Hard to brand me, always had a plan B. Had me cuffed, found the key, now I'm staying free. Rehab is when electricity shock niggas. Honestly, I ain't felt shit yet. I'm still a block nigga. I'm sorry to disappoint, ain't trying to front you off, but I'm just something to behold. It ain't nobody's fault. It can be wintertime, I'm acting like it's spring break. Conscious of my past, still thankful for a clean slate. I got a feeling they don't understand what's taking place. Probably want to brace yourself, I got something to say. Message to society, message to society, message to society, message to society. I hate the how you looking at me like I just escaped. Trying to give you a heads up before I get the date. Message to society, message to society, message to society, message to society. Life's a sewing needle to me, I'm just trying to thread it. I know I done a lot of dirt, and I ain't apologetic. A wise man said it's a wasted emotion. It's like a raindrop trying to find its place in the ocean. Shit, I keep a toolie with us, know what I do to triggers. You motherfuckers ain't stupid, I ain't new to niggas. This hot shit'll burn a hole through your brown skin. If you think I'm bullshitting, go and fuck around, go ahead. Whoever's schooling y'all is teaching you backwards. Murder and killing ain't the same, shooters, creatures, or habits. Got nuts, but they the balls of midgets. I'm Goliath in this bitch. Davis can't defy the laws of physics. You can't forgive or forget when the street remember. I'm trying to talk you out of making me a repeat offender. Fuck around and get crushed when you play with force. Y'all been flying straight since I left, niggas stay the course. I got a feeling they don't understand what's taking place. Probably want to brace yourself, I got something to say. Message to society, message to society, message to society, message to society. I hate the how you looking at me like I just escaped. I'm trying to give you a heads up before I get the date. Message to society, message to society, message to society, message to society. I know the wound heals, but the pain stays. Know me like a book, trying to get us on the same page. To me, I practice self-preservation. You say I work for Satan, two different interpretations. I ain't sitting around trying to manufacture sick thoughts with a tail and horn around a fire with a pitchfork. Said I made my own bed, so tough luck. My reply, you motherfuckers got me fucked up. The bullshit from A to Z, I ain't buying none of that. My mind state is getting paid, find me where the money at. That's what keep my heart beating, that's what I'ma eat for dinner every night till I'm an addict, keep me out the treatment center. It's some road niggas still got a grudge with some scars that's legitimate, so feel they can judge. I can't predict the future, but I can say we gon' see. Might be a dog, you just barking up the wrong tree. I got a feeling they don't understand what's taking place. Probably want to brace yourself, I got something to say. Message to society, message to society, message to society, message to society. I hate the how you looking at me like I just escaped. Trying to give you a heads up before I get the date. Message to society, message to society.